to do that.
You're just supposed to dip and come up. You're not supposed to do that.
Well, Mr.
You're supposed to just dip like you pick up some soup and put in the bowl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So based on the title, you'll see that today we're doing the cotton challenge, and I'll be doing the cotton challenge with my friend Miss Petite. She's also a YouTuber, so I'll be linking her profile, well, her channel in the description, so you can go over and check out her content. You like it, guys? Go check it out. But before we get into that though, guys, if you are new here, returning viewer, and you're not yet a part of the Naturally Told family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fun. You get me? So let's get into it. So for this challenge, one person will be blindfolded and they will be required to scoop as many cotton buds as possible into the bowl. They'll not know where the bowl is or where the cottons are. They just have to find them blindfolded. So since I'm my channel, she'll go first.
Alright, you're gonna lose anyway.
Here she'll push
What the
back.
song go? What about when I take it back?
Full of chat and she know how to keep up.
Come.
Blindfold. Alright, secured. Are you seeing how many fingers are this?
Not tell you. Ready?
Wait, no, me have to set up, you know what you look like before your blindfold on. So here's a spoon, hand, spoon, and she's not allowed to slide and scoop, she just has to dip and put in. So I'll just give you one little feel of where the bowl is.
So, okay.
And that's it.
So I'm gonna know when to stop. Is there a time?
Oh, we need a time. I'll count to 30 seconds. No, you're not supposed to touch.
So I'm gonna feel the bowl.
You're just going to scoop, you know, the width of the table. You're going to scoop and put it in the bowl.
Alright.
I'll give you one touch.
But where's the bowl? Okay.
Not the bowl, you just touch.
So the bowl of in a man?
No, you're supposed to scoop and put in the bowl without knowing where it is. Come.
Okay, fine.
30 seconds. I'll look at the timer on the screen. You can go. You're not supposed to use your finger, your two teeth. They'll have to come back out.
So I'm gonna know you have to put the right side.
Right arm up, I'm not teeth her. But she use finger. No, you're not supposed to do that, man. You're just supposed to dip and come up. You're not supposed to do that.
Oh, Mr.
You're supposed to just dip like you pick up some soup and put in the bowl. Or try a scoop.
So I'm gonna take the 5 minute scoop.
Time up. She deep.
How much we get?
2, 4, 6, 8,
10.
She got 10.
Alright. The cottons were in my favor.
The cottons were in her favor. We're going to do 2 rounds of this. She got 10 points. Ready?
Wait, we have to set up.
You know why your teeth, me I put them all out the edge of the table and something, you know, man.
You can't tell me what
But
to
me
do.
never do that to you.
But you still have to just follow the rules. Scoop and put it on the plate. The cotton them enough for the table, so you can't lose this. You haven't find it.
Ready to me?
Come.
And where's the bowl? Where's
You
the ball?
never can
Of course, you put your hand for the touch with the ball there.
Go on.
Why this feels so like without saying nothing?
Oh, but that's about time. Alright.
This don't feel like nothing not take out. Why my place sound so empty?
10 seconds.
Why my place sound so empty?
11. No. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
This seem empty.
Does it?
5. Why the girl spread out the something there?
You know how much area put in it? No, but they were right here and then they end up take up. But you scoop, I'm tell you where though. You scoop in between the cotton there. And that you do.
Alright. Should I beat me from my own channel? But yeah, something man.
I mean, I'll take you back. Ready?
Wait.
Play it. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, time me?
Yeah, time you when I reach 46 seconds, you only have 10 seconds left.
I don't feel like I'm not doing nothing.
The first one is too easy. Time up.
Oh. Anyway, but that's 12 hours, you get fine. Alright, here we go. Alright, let me look at the time. Alright, where's my phone? Let me just put on the timer. Because I can't see up this so good. Alright.
But you have to show me back my ball there.
Yeah. Timer. 30 seconds on the clock. 30. Alright. Now it's Shamara's time. There you go. Go on. Start. 30 seconds on the clock.
No, so this feel like, me not feel like me I take up nothing.
Yeah, the time so enough. Alright, go on, do your thing.
Enough for school?
Yes. Time.
Time already?
Yes, a 30 seconds. Do you think a 30
You don't
minutes?
talk to me, that's why you cheat. You talk to me.
But you talk to me, should I?
How much we get? Me get 6. So me get 11 and you the what? 12?
Yeah.
You want to do another round to break it?
Wait, you get 6?
I got 6 now, see there, and I got 5 before, so that's 11.
A 2 you get before.
No, it was 5.
A 2 you get.
It was 5.
Go back on the video. Tomorrow, a 2 you get. Or I mean, no, me get 2.
Listen to me, guys. She thinks I'm a robber now. On an account. I'll take back out the things then.
Oh, really not sure about this.
Yeah, see?
Yes. No kind of question that. You start the time?
Oh, sorry.
I saw you school.
Thief! Manda thief!
Tomorrow I saw your school.
Manda, you thief!
Oh.
Yes, thief!
Oh, my fancy. Oh, that mean we get no.
Time up, time up, time up! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So you're there 17, you're there 11. 17 and 11.
How much we get?
You're there 15 a while ago, and you have 12, so you're there 27.
Me, I wonder where she get 17 from. 27, now you know what? 11. Wait, I'm gonna fix up. Listen, it's not my fault. You just now beat me.
Oh. Can you scoop up backside a while ago, you know?
Shamara, you were scooping. Don't blame me. If you live at school, and you tell me I'm enough for school, I end up at school. Come, give me your hand.
I feel like my dad was some teething something, or she takes a long to set up.
You have to switch up the game sometimes.
And cheat!
Or is it cheating if all the cotton them up on the table?
That's not how the game play.
Wait. Start. Watch her with the school thing.
You just scoop, so it's not wrong with me school. If you want cotton up on my own, I want their part on me. I say when I time I see man down, push them up on the side of the bowl.
Time.
Come on, let's put out some something up on the edge of the
And
table.
you push them out.
They made something up on the edge of the table and me push them out. Manda, nothing in the middle of the table.
And you move the something
And
there.
then they catch up on the edge and me put them out there.
But even though that's the game, you must find them. Me not go find them for you.
How much me get? 2, 4, 6, 7, and 11, 18.
And I'm at 27.
Guys, Manda cheat. Comment below if you think Manda cheat by putting them on the edge
Almost
of the
cheat.
table. I never do none of them something here tomorrow.
Almost cheat. That's the aim of the game, for her to find the cottons. So even if we throw them over there, so she have to go find it.
Find the cottons in the on the table.
Them on the table, not on the ground. You need to find them, but you're scooping in one area. That's the thing.
Comment below if you think Manda cheated on this game. Let me know down below. Guys, let me know if you would try this challenge with your friends, you know, for a games night or whatever. It's a fun game. It's a very competitive
And
game.
Amanda won. Wait.
And
Yay!
unfortunately, I met Amanda come beat me for my channel, but that's how life go. Guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like this challenge. Comment and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I post. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to do all of what I ask you to do for me. And until next time,
Bye.